Options are A 24, B 26, C 25, D 27. Samrat B, Joshna B, Khusru Supriyo B, Arab 26. Lock option B 26. 26 is the correct answer. Second question is for $1,000 points. Opposite gender of gentleman. Options are A gentlewoman, B woman, C lady, D nun. Arab C, Khusru Supriyo C, Joshna C, Arush C, Samrat C. Lock option C, lady. Lady is the correct answer. Third question is for $2,000 points. Choose abstract noun. Be kind to everyone. Options are A kind, B be, C to, D everyone. Samrat A, Arush A, Khusru Supriyo A, Arab A, Joshna A. Lock option A, kind. Kind is the correct answer. Fourth question is for $3,000 points. Which one is feminine gender? Options are A dog, B bitch, C ass, D horse. Khusru Supriyo B, Arush B, Samrat B, Joshna B, Arab B, lock option B, bitch. He is the correct answer. Fifth question is for $5,000 points. Pick a pronoun in this sentence. He reads his book. Options are A he, B his, C book, D A and B. Arab B, Khusru Supriyo A, Joshna B, Arush B, Samrat D. Okay, let's see whose answer is correct. Lock the correct option. It is Khusru Supriyo D. Correct answer. Sixth question is for $7,000 points. What are parts of speech in the magician? Arab A, Khusru Supriyo A, Samrat A, Arush A, Katrina A, lock option A. Ninth question is for $30,000 points. Choose conjunction I eat bread and butter. Options are A bread, B I, C and D eat. C, Usru C, Samrat C, Joshna C, Arush C. Lock option C. C is the correct answer. Tenth question is for $50,000 points. A word can be made from dash or more letters having complete tense. Options are A1, D2, D3, D4. Exclusive trio A, Samrat A, Arush A, Joshna A, Arav A. Lock option A. A is the correct answer. $100,000 points. Choose Ram, read slowly. Options are A Ram, B read, C slowly, D none. Samrat C, Arush C, Katlina C, Joshna C, Usru Supriyo C, Arav C. Lock option C, slowly. Slowly is the correct answer. First question is for $250,000 points. Which one is not preposition in the following? Options are A in, B on, C read, D into. Joshna C, Arush C, Samrat C, Usru Supriyo. Okay, lock option C, read. C is the correct answer. 18th question is for $500,000 points. Put an in the following. Options are A girl, B boy, C nun, D umbrella. Samrat D, Arav D, Joshna D, Arush D, Usru Supriyo D, Joshna B. Are you sure, Joshna? It's B. Okay. Lock option D. D is the correct answer. An umbrella. Baby of Linus is called. Options are cub, B puppy, B calf, B fawn. Arav A, Usru Supriyo A, Arush A, Katlina A, Samrat C, Samrat A, Usru Supriyo A. Lock option A. A is the correct answer. Congratulations. Now it's time for lucky draw. Today's winner is Arav. Okay.
Ma'am, you are on mute.
Congratulations, Arav. Please join room number 1.
Where is the message?